Northwest has many talented teachers in our school, and we are definitely blessed to count Mr. Harb as one of them.
I've been teaching at Northwest for 11 years. I've taught a lot of different classes over the years, but this year I'm teaching Welding 1, Welding 2, home maintenance, and exploratory to manufacturing. In our Welding 1 class, it's a basic class, so we're learning to do oxyacetylene welding, arc welding, wire welding, TIG welding, and then they do a small project.
Not every teacher possesses the skills to teach a unique class like welding, but Mr. Harb brings a wealth of experience to his classroom.
To be able to teach welding in a high school setting, you need a bachelor's degree. And so for me to teach some welding, the University of Nebraska-Lincoln at the time didn't teach welding, so I went to Southeast Community College and had classes there. My favorite part of teaching welding is for people that are scared of welding to learn that it's not so scary, and then be able to do some nice welds and possibly get a career in it.
Thank you, Mr. Harb, for giving students this opportunity.